Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change download location on Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to another browser and download the Firefox from there, as it does not come with the Windows system. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, you have the search box. We have the search box to the top side of the screen also. You can add shortcuts. You can click on the three lines here, horizontal. Here we have, as you can see, a lot of things and settings. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change a download location on Firefox. So first of all, go click the three horizontal lines menu button in the top right corner and select settings here. Then in the left sidebar, click on general. So when you of course go to settings, like here, just a second, then you have the general on the left side of the screen. Scroll down to the files and applications section. So go scroll down, and here it is. Then under the downloads subscription, click browse next to save files to. So here, as you can see, and then select the folder where you want to download the files and click select folder. The selected folder will now be your default download location for all future downloads. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.